Closing balance after correcting the errors. An inexperienced bookkeeper has drawn up the following receivables ledger control account. Receivables ledger control account. Opening balance $45,000. Credit sales $47,500. Cash from credit customers $57,000. Irrecoverable debts written off $375. Sales returns $200. Contras against payables $600. Cash refunds to credit customers $825. Closing balance, balancing figure $57,400. Discount allowed $1,050. Total $105,875. What should the closing balance be after correcting the errors made in preparing this account? Answer: Receivables ledger control account. Opening balance $45,000. Cash from credit customers $57,000. Credit sales $47,500. Irrecoverable debts written off $375. Cash refunds $825. Sales returns $2,000. Discount allowed $1,050. Contras $600. Closing balance $32,300. Total $93,325.